EA Sports.
Your best is not good enough.
Hold it wide.
Day of reflection.
Want to ride?
Sometimes I need to.
I will fly like a rocket.
Every time you die.
Hey, bro.
Finally, we got that night. It's always gonna work. You
Well, this is style.
It's like it was Side's gonna break you, stand up. Side's gonna break you, stand up. Side's gonna break you, stand up. Side's gonna break you, Every time it starts, you're ready to work.
Bruh, bruh.
It's me, the Mets, and I'm feeling freaky. Nice. Sweet. I'm Deegan, and I'm the leader of the Metal Militia. Representing for the Metal Militia. I don't care what I wear.
I'm Leanne. Nice to meet me, isn't it? This is a good look for me. Who else could pull this off? I'm Steffi. So happy to meet you. I am good looking. A good look, no?
I am the Flying Hawaiian. Fly gear on a fly guy. I got some style going on.
I'm Mad Mike. Heard of me? If you say so. Fine.
Hey, how's it going? I don't look too girly, do I? Nice.
I'll be here at your service. This is a good look. Smashing.
I'm Mike Metzger, the godfather of freestyle. Brrr, brrr. Let's go. pick a ride. That is the sickest, fattest bike of all time. That bike's fast. That's a fine machine. Yeah, I painted that bike myself.
It's another killer day here at Monumental Motoplex. If you can stay on track in the caves, you'll be a moto legend. For freaky speed, fill up the freakout meter and bust your biggest trick.
bigger than this! Get out of my way!
Someone's about to make a move!
Flying high!
Kickboxer. Switchblade. And a close shave. No-hander. Hey, it's not nice to point.
Oh, I just ruptured my elbow! Oh, yeah!
First place.
Who's throwing the victory party?